BoBoKids. Hello everyone, I'm Bobo. Today we will draw and color a bird together. Let's get started. First, draw curved lines to form the bird's head. This is the body and 2 small legs. Then draw the bird's eyes and beak. Don't forget to draw a big pair of wings for this bird. Birds are like other flying animals. They can all fly in the sky thanks to their wings. Finally, the tail. Now let's color together. Blue. Each type of bird has different colors. Choose the colors you like best to color your bird. Bobo really likes navy blue, so I'm going to color the bird's head in navy blue. Yellow. The bird's face is yellow. Do you know what birdsong sounds like? Sounds fun, right? Orange color. Blue. This bird's large wings are also blue. This is a lovely sparrow. Do you know the names of any other birds? Remember to color the remaining wing of the bird blue as well. Pink. Alternating between the blue fur layers. It's a beautiful pink fur layer. This bird looks so colorful and beautiful, right? Do you know where these birds live? Birds often nest on high tree branches. So do you know how baby birds are born? The mother bird lays small eggs in her nest. Then the baby birds are incubated and hatched from the eggs. Orange. Blue. Finally, the sparrow's tail is navy blue. So our bird is finished. Let's practice drawing and coloring another bird with your parents. Like and subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting videos.